Hi, to block messages on Samsung Galaxy S25, you just need to open either Google Messages or Samsung Messages app. I'm gonna show you this on the example of Samsung Messages. And now just tap on three dots, which is More Info, and choose Settings. Then you should see this tab Block Numbers and Spam. Tap it, and here choose to block numbers. After that, you can manually enter phone number of a person you wanna block here. So just enter this phone number, tap on plus, or you can tap on your contacts list and select contact you wanna block, tap done. And now you will no longer receive messages from this contact. You will see it right here. Also, you can tap here on messages and select conversation you wanna block just by tapping it and then tapping done. Now let's simply go back using this back arrow, and then we can select blocked messages. And if you blocked particular messages, you would see it in this tab. To unblock number, just go back in block numbers, scroll a bit down, and tap this minus to remove it from this list. And let's unblock another one. So that I'm gonna tap it again. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.